Hello everyone, this is Asad. In this video, I'll show you two ways to turn off Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'll also show you how you can set your power button for turning your phone off. If you press and hold the power button, Bixby wakes up. So what you have to do is press and hold the power and volume button together and you'll have this menu. From here you can switch off your S23 Ultra. Now the second method. Scroll down the control center, scroll it down again. You will have an option to turn off your phone, and when you touch it, this screen will appear and you can switch off your phone from here. Now I'll show you how to set up the power button. Now go to settings, scroll down, tap on advanced features. Select the side key option. From this menu you can choose what will happen if you press and hold the power button. Select the power off menu option. And now if you long press the power button, you'll have the option to turn off your Samsung S23 Ultra and Bixby will not wake up. I hope this video have helped you. Please show some love and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.